Welcome guys, welcome to the machine learning tutorial. Uh, this is the part 1 of lecture series, which is introduction. This machine learning tutorial provides basic and advanced concept of machine learning, and this tutorial is basically designed for student and working professionals. As we all know, machine learning is a growing technology, and this machine learning enables computers to learn automatically. From where? From the past data. And it uses various algorithms which you will learn in future. Uh, this is using this algorithm for building mathematical models and making predictions using the historical data or the information. And currently it is being used for various tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, email filtering, and many more. Now let's move on. The machine learning tutorial which I am creating will give you the introduction to machine learning along with a wide range of machine learning technologies such as supervised learning. I think you guys have heard about this, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. Now you will learn about regression and classification model later. Now let's start with what is machine learning. In the real world, we are surrounded by humans who can learn everything from their capabilities. But can a machine also learn from the experiences or past data like a human does? So here comes the role of machine learning. Machine learning is said as a subset of artificial intelligence (AI) that is mainly concerned with the development of algorithms, which allows the computers to learn from the data and past experiences on their own. Now the term machine learning as suggests machine is learning something. So we can define machine learning by machine learning enables a machine. It enables a machine to automatically learn from the data. And improve its performance from the experiences and predict the things without being explicitly programmed. Machine can predict things now after training. Now with the help of simple historical data, which is known as training data. The data is known as training data. Machine learning algorithms build a mathematical model. With the help of training data, it builds a mathematical model which helps making predictions and decisions or without being it explicitly programmed. Machine learning basically brings computer science and statistics together for creating predictive models. Machine learning constructs or uses the algorithm that learns from the historical data. We all know this now. Now machine learning has the ability to learn if it can improve its performance by gaining more data. Now let's see how does machine learning works. A machine learning system learns from the historical data. I have already told you that it learns from the historical data. So we are giving input as a past data, builds the prediction models, and whenever it receives the new data, predicts the output. The input past data, training on this input data, then it creates a machine learning algorithms which is learning from the past data, and it is building logical models. Now after the logical model building is completed, whenever we give new data to these models, it will predict the output. Now the accuracy of predicted output depends upon the amount of data that we are giving as an input. As the huge amount of data helps to build a better model which predict the output more accurately. If we will give more input data, then the output will be more accurate. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a complex problem where we need to perform some predictions. So instead of writing a code, we just need to feed data to the generic algorithms. As I have already told you, We just need to provide input data. And with the help of these algorithms, machine builds the logic as per the data and predict the output. It will predict the output. We can say that machine learning has changed our way of thinking about the problem. Now see this block diagram. This is perfectly explaining the machine learning and how machine learning works. Now basically we can classify machine learning in three modules. The first is supervised learning, the second is unsupervised learning, and the third is reinforcement learning. You will learn about this later on. Now, what are the requirements, the basic requirements for starting a machine learning course? That is the fundamental knowledge of probability and linear algebra. You should know or you should have the fundamental knowledge of probability and the linear algebra. The second is the ability to code in any computer language. As we are doing this in a Python language, so you should at least know how to code in Python language. And the third is knowledge of calculus, especially derivatives of single variable and multivariable functions. So basic maths you should know. That's it for today's video. This was the part 1 of machine learning tutorial series, which was introduction. I'll come up with the next video which will give you the information about applications of machine learning in normal life. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Stay tuned. Bye bye.